Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. In this short and basic video, I'll show how you can change lock screen wallpaper in OPPO smartphone. So to start, you will need to open Settings, then find and enter Wallpapers and Style category. Onwards, tap at the Wallpapers. In here, select the image you would like to set as your lock screen wallpapers. You can either select it from the album or your gallery if you want to, or from the list of online available wallpapers as well. Then tap at the desired or preferred picture, then hit apply. Select the lock screen option from the list. And well, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.